to measure our trench excavation, we'll be dividing our measurements into two categories. And each of those two categories are further subdivided into two categories. And that is external trench or gap, and two, internal trench or gap or strip or wall footing. So the external and the internal trench are further subdivided into horizontal and vertical. Horizontal and vertical. So this right here is an illustration of what I just explained. So assuming this box is a building plan, these are the external strips. The enclosing strips are the external strips, while the strips within the enclosing strips are the internal strips. These lines are the portion of the building site that will be dug for concrete to be poured and blocks to be laid. All these walls, this physical wall that you can see, at the foundation level, the block is coming from the foundation, but you can't see it obviously because it's a finished building. So this is an internal wall or internal strip, and the enclosing walls are external. So similarly, these are external strips or external wall footings or external trench, while this, the one inside, the internal, those are the internal strips or wall footing or trench. And the horizontal are the ones that are horizontal. So the first category is external and internal. Then that category is further divided into horizontal and vertical. So this now is a vertical external strip, while this and this are external horizontal strips. This is an internal strip, vertical internal strip. This is an internal strip, horizontal internal strip. While the column bases that I was talking about that we'll also be dealing with in the course of our measurements, these are the column bases. Let me just, all the drawings that I'm going to be using for these measurements will be clearly displayed on the screen. The link to the drawing that I'll be using for these measurements will be dropped in the description down below. So make sure you download it so you can follow me properly. So these are the column bases. In the drawings, they are represented with dotted lines. These are the column bases. So whenever we are trying to get the measurements of, let's say, from here to here, we are going to deduct all the places that our column bases fall on.